This is the tree house in Bali. But it's so deep, I don't want to go down anymore. I just want to show you. And beside, there is also this rock formations. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye.